Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And it is that time of the year where we need to declutter a lot of stuff. So I have been holding up to a lot of things that are either expired, I don't use anymore, I've been holding on to it for too long, and I think it's time to say bye to all of the rubbish things that I have that I don't use, that don't do anything. And yeah, organizing stuff is very important. It gives you the peace of mind, and getting rid of all this mess that you don't need also makes you feel happy. I mean, I don't know about you, but it makes me feel happy for sure. So without any further ado, let's declutter some stuff, right? And I'll meet you on the other end. Let's get into this video. Let's go. Okay, so we will start off with the base products first, right? I'm going to take them off one by one so that I can see क्या रखना है और क्या नहीं. So ये खाली डब्बा है और इसका ब्लश उस वाले बॉक्स में पड़ा होगा. पहले हम इधर देखते हैं. So I'm going to keep this. This is a good concealer. I'm going to keep this too. This I haven't used in a really long time because ये ना मेरे skin tone का नहीं है. Basically this works like a contour और वो भी like not a good contour because it's kind of weird, but maybe in some sun-kissed look I might use it. I'm just going to try to use it as much as I can. Otherwise I'm going to throw it super soon. And ये सब गंदे हो रहे हैं. I need a wipe to wash these. Wait. So I'm just going to clean these as well side by side and keep them. Then I have this thing over here. I'm not using it. I haven't used it. मुझे लगता नहीं है इसके अंदर अब कुछ बचा भी है. Right, I'm going to throw this. Then there was this blush. सो ये दो ना, इनमें से एक है मेरा कंसीलर का, एक है मेरे लिक्विड ब्लशेस का. सो आई एम गोना सेपरेट इट लाइक दैट क्योंकि अब सब मिक्स हो चुके हैं. सो दिस ब्लश इज़ फ्रॉम ब्लू हेवन. इट्स अ गुड ब्राइट पिंक ब्लश. मुझे याद नहीं रहता यूज़ करना, बट आई एम गोना यूज़ इट. सो आई एम गोना कीप इट हेयर. इसको भी जैसे साफ कर देते हैं. सो आई एम गोना कीप दीज टू थिंग्स एंड देयर इज दिस कॉन्टोर स्टिक. आई एम गोना कीप दिस एज वेल in the side. I have two blushes from NY Bay. Although मैं इसको उतना यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. I kind of don't like them anymore, but I'm going to keep them. Maybe I'll use them, who knows. And then there is this one stable matte blush, super stay blush from inside. This is a very pretty blush, worth your try. So yeah, I'm going to keep this as well. Then we are over here. I have to wash this. I'm going to keep it inside. I'm going to keep it side mein. And then I have a few concealers over here, and I don't use all of them. This concealer, this Age Rewind concealer, is such a good concealer, but this packaging is such bad packaging that I can't explain. Then I have this one from inside. I'm going to keep this as well. This Pack Take Cover Concealer is one of my faves. I'm going to keep this. This one from Cubs and Lashes Cover It Concealer, although it's not my absolute fave, but I like it enough to try. This concealer I got once. I tried it once and I never tried it again. This I think I might just toss out. And then this Bellora wala concealer. I got this concealer in as a gift from the brand, but I didn't like it that much. It's a very light concealer, so मैं अपने light concealer की तरह इसको use कर लूँगी. I'm going to keep this. This one is going to go. It has to go. There is another tray of sorts. This has my powdered blushes and all of that stuff. For example, this Elf Putty Primer. This is a very cult favorite product. I kind of not like it because this is too heavy for my skin. This is not my fave, and that is one reason why I haven't been able to use it that much. Right, so we are going to keep it side mein. Then we have this Mars Ka loose powder. I don't use this at all. I like my Maybelline loose powder, but I'm going to keep it because jab wo khatam ho jayega, I'm going to finish this. Then I will move into some other loose powder. I do have a few highlighters. Now highlighters is something that I haven't purchased in years. मेरे पास 2-3 मेरे favorite promising highlighters हैं और मैं उन्हीं को ही use करती रहती हूँ, right? So I'm going to keep these. They are not going anywhere at all. There is no way I'm going to buy new highlighters when I have so many highlighters already, right? Then I have this liquid blush from Swiss Beauty. This is a very pretty color, very pretty blush. This will stay. Then I have this Cuppy Cake bronzer from Cubs and Lashes. Now this gives me a very muddy contour, so I'm going to toss this out. Then I have this Sugar Pop ka blush. These blushes are giving me a really hard time these days, like this blush specifically, because when I apply it na, ये बहुत patchy लगता है. It looks like मुझे frostbite हो गई है. It kind of gave me that look. So I have to decide अभी इसके बारे में कि मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं. So I'm going to keep it for the time being, but maybe I'll just toss it. And then I have this orange corrector. So this is like a pure proper orange corrector. I think correctors is something I'm not going to throw away. I'm going to keep this as well. Then there are a few things जो मैंने स्ट्रे रखी हुई हैं ऐसे ही randomly. There is this Swiss Beauty का Cheekaboo blush palette. मैंने अभी बहुत recently purchase किया था. Although I'm not a fan of it. This contour is now muddy, or maybe I don't know, मेरे brush का problem है. I don't know. I'm going to try this again with new brush. Then I'll see if I want to keep it or not. So yeah, I'm keeping this one. My Maybelline loose powder. This is about to be over. बहुत थोड़ा सा रह गया अब इसके अंदर, like literally बहुत थोड़ा सा. I'm gonna just completely finish it, and only then this will leave me, not before that. So yeah, this will stay. There is this new blush edition from Swiss Beauty. This is that blush, and it is so cute, so pretty. This is not just a blush, it is a blush that has highlighter tendencies to it, right? So I'm gonna keep this as well. I'm taking out everything. There is a lot of stuff. इसमें से बहुत सारा stuff declutter होगा, because I know a lot of it is expiring. So I have this Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This is one of those compact powders that I really like. I really enjoy it. I'm going to keep it इस वाली pile में, right? Then we have these things जो बहुत surely मैं नहीं फेंक रही हूँ, which is this primer, these two primers, right? There is another primer from inside. These are staying. They are not going anywhere because they are very recent and I really like them. Also, I keep some of my tube products over here in this sort of, I think ये ना fast track का डब्बा है, नहीं Titan का, yeah. So we have this BB creams, this Maybelline foundation. There is this lip and cheek tint from LET. This is so dry that it doesn't work at all. So yeah. Then we have master. Oh my god, I've forgotten. ये भी है मेरे पास and I use them. I don't use them at all. This is going. I really hate it. This is going. This has to go. It has stayed with me for so long, and I haven't used it in 2 years. This has to go. And rest of it will stay. All of these tube products, I'm gonna keep it inside इसी में. And then I also have this Faces Canada Key foundation. One of good foundations. And then I also have this Lamel foundation. So ये सब इसमें ही जाएंगी. Then we have this blush from Sanvioni. This has to stay. It is a महंगा blush and I like it enough for my no makeup taste. So yeah, this is staying. What is going for sure is number one, this. This is the Seal the Deal setting spray from Flower Beauty. This is expired, very well expired. What else? This is setting spray from Faces Canada. This is not going. This is a good setting spray, the only setting spray that I have. So this has to stay. Then I have this Mars BB cream. Again, this is staying. This is staying. मैं पहले वो निकाल लेती हूँ जिनका मुझे clear है कि stay करेंगे. This is highlighter. I'm not throwing my highlighters as I told you. This is my Mars concealer, corrector, contour palette. This is also staying. और ये चीज़ें हमने पहले से ही decide की हुई हैं कि stay करेंगी. So I'm going to keep these. Right now, out of these things, I have 3 foundations from Swiss Beauty that were gifted me by the brand. I don't know why. ये 3 foundations randomly मेरे पास एक दिन आई थी. These are not my shades. These are very light for my skin tone, and I think this is my biggest problem with them. One of them is moussey in texture. This one is a mousse based foundation. This is going to stay because this is like your full coverage professional foundation. Really handy for some type of makeup look. So this is staying. ये whipped वाली, although the texture is really nice, this is not my shade. Like, the brand did not consult me about the shade, and they gave me a shade they thought would work for me. And then we have this one. This is another Swiss Beauty thing. This is their warm honey, sort of like a concealer foundation stick again. Even this, although it's warm honey, it is a bit too pinky and light for me. This is again not my shade. So then we have these 2 things. This is e.l.f. satin foundation. Looks a bit separated to me. April 24 में इसकी expiry हो रही है. I don't use it. I don't know. There is something about this foundation that doesn't work for me that well. So maybe I'll just part my ways with this one. And then there is this NY Bay liquid foundation again. Yeah, I don't use these anymore. So these are gonna go. Then मेरे पास यहाँ पे कुछ like literally random samples हैं which were given to me by Purple. I haven't used them. face serum, and I don't use them. I do have this Maybelline K foundation K sachet, which used before. Oh my god, they're expired by like 2-3 years, so this is gonna go also. Well, my camera stopped recording for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm sorry, बीच में कुछ कट लग गए. So I was saying कि these are two of my. This is my eye makeup stash, and उसमें पहली चीज़ मैंने यहाँ निकाली मेरे rhinestones and tweezers and all of that, उसके tools. Then I have these Swiss Beauty के holographic eyeliners. These are a new addition, so I'm gonna keep these. Then the things that I know I'm gonna keep is this Lash Warrior mascara from Essence, a very recent mascara. I absolutely love it. It's gonna stay. This, oh my god, look at the monstrosity that we have over here. ये क्या लगा है इस पे इतनी बुरी तरह. This is a nude pencil. Oh, now this is an eyeliner, kajal actually. This is gonna, yeah, sorry, my bad. I thought it is this. This is a Mars ki nude pencil. This is the one that I really like. It's a nude pencil for those very smoky eyes, to give you bigger eye look. So this is gonna stay, but this is gonna go away. This is a kajal which does not work for me at all. I'm gonna throw this. The first thing that is going out is this. This is a mint pencil. This is a brown pencil. This is staying. An eyebrow pencil, staying. Lip liner, another lip liner. These are obviously going in my lipstick stash. Then we have this ColourPop Sugar Pop kajal. This is a wonderful kajal. I've been using it these days. This is again staying. Another brow pencil, staying. Miss Claire का one stroke kajal. This is, इसमें कुछ है भी नहीं. How much I loved this kajal. Actually, इससे पता लगता है. This kajal was like literally 50 rupees, and it works like a 200 rupee kajal. This is no less than a 200 rupee kajal. Do not sleep on this. It is absolutely amazing. Then we have this brow pencil which doesn't have anything, but I think मैंने spoolie के लिए रखा हुआ है, but now I'm gonna throw this. Right, then we have Bellora Paris ki blue kajal. We're gonna keep it. This one is from Elite kajal. It is a okay kajal. I keep some for backup. So yeah, this is that kajal. It's gonna stay. Then we have Zayn Maiza ka kajal. This was a horrible horseshit kajal. This is horrible. Then two eyebrow pencils that I don't use anymore, but I'm gonna keep them. Then we have Serika kajal. This kajal, although it's a nice kajal, but it doesn't apply very well. I'm gonna throw this. Right, then we have an eyelash glue over here, some weird stuff. So yeah, so इस वाले के अंदर मैं रखूँगी मेरे normal kajals and mascara which I use regularly every day, and इसमें रखेंगे हम एक eyeliner. This is my daily use stuff. There is another lip balm in here which is going to come out, and yeah, इसके अंदर मैंने lash glue और sharpeners रखे हुए हैं, so this is going to stay. Then पीछे वाली उसके अंदर we have a few more kajals. यार ये स्टेक वर्की वाला I think बहुत पुराना हो चुका है. I guess it's time to say bye. It has to go. Then we have this one from Stay Quirky in purple color. This will stay. A white one, a pink one, and a brow gel. These will stay. K by Katrina ki blue eye pencil. This is very old, but yeah, I'm keeping it. So right, then we have two mascaras over here. First is this Swiss Beauty का. This is going because अब इसको ये बिल्कुल सूख चुका है. This doesn't apply. Even ये Sugar Pop वाला भी काफ़ी हद तक सूख चुका है. It doesn't apply that well. So I guess we are going to throw both of these out. So these are going. Then we have a blue kajal from, oh, inside. This is a pretty blue kajal. We're going to keep this. It's a pretty blue kajal. Then another eyeliner, a sharpener, and a pencil. So these are going to stay. इन दोनों को मैं यहाँ रख देती हूँ. This is done as well. So I think this is it for this declutter. मेरे पास और कुछ नहीं है declutter करने के लिए. ये मैं लिपस्टिक वाला है उसमें रख दूँगी, क्योंकि मैंने लिपस्टिक से भी बहुत रिसेंटली ही declutter की थी. वो मैं थोड़ा टाइम के बाद देखूँगी. And I think this is where we are standing in the terms of declutter. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. I did declutter a lot of things. A lot of stuff was gone. And if you haven't seen the eyeshadow declutter, do check that out as well. And yeah, hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll meet you in the next video guys.